HPKidsTV. Hello guys, welcome back to HPKidsTV. I'm HPKidsTV and Daddy.
Hi guys.
Peter's joining us again.
Yes.
And for the trick, guys.
So back to back that you joined us.
I'm in the middle. Guys, I'm in the middle.
You're in the middle, yeah.
We have Marvel heroes.
Yeah.
But Daddy doesn't have Marvel hero hat. It's a Star Wars hat.
Star Wars hat.
Because Daddy likes Star Wars.
I don't have a.
But I have a in the middle. So
Yeah, also.
And packs. We have games and packs.
So today, what are we going to open? They don't know. So
I do not know.
so it's gonna be because it's one of your favorite things to do. Build a figure. But
I like building figures.
build a figure. It's a surprise. So I'll let you know once we have all the pieces.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's do this.
Okay.
First one we're gonna open is
What?
this girl.
Oh. Who is she?
This is
He don't look like that one.
Jocasta.
Jocasta.
Yeah, she's she's a good girl.
See?
She has. Oh, it's okay. That's a force field,
That's what?
and she has electromagnetic beams. Belongs to the Avengers from the comics.
Is that
Stop. Okay. Oh wait. Then let's open this girl. Did you see the body? The body part?
No.
Okay.
So the body part of the chest here.
Okay.
Peter doesn't know how to high five me. Here, high five. Wait.
Oops. No. This is excuse me, the buff part. And
Don't tell us who is it.
yeah, we're gonna find out later.
It kind of looks like King King. Is this from Miles Morales?
No. Okay.
What is that giant?
This is very slippery.
Daddy, I think we don't need to have legs. We can style.
So this is her. Jocasta.
Who is this? I do not know this guy.
Here you go. Here you go. Whoa.
She's a robot. She's a robot. You don't know that. She's a robot.
No, she has force field. I think that's why she looks like that.
Is she a girl or a boy?
Girl.
What's
Let me her stand.
I wonder who's that body. I only saw gold part.
Whoa.
I saw gold part, Daddy.
We'll make her stand later. It's so hard.
Why don't she a symbol?
Okay, again. What's the next one?
I don't know.
Next one will be.
Who's that? Thor?
He's like Thor. His idol is Thor, so that's why he has a hammer also. His name is Thunderstrike.
Is his actor Thor?
Look! You can see the head.
Who's that?
The head is there.
It looks like gold. Who is that?
You'll know later. I'll tell you.
Kingpin?
No, he dresses up like Kingpin, but
Gray face?
almost. It is gray.
Clay face.
No. How about you, Peter? Can you guess? I don't know.
No.
Yes.
Gray Griffin. Gray Griffin. Who's that? Wait, I need to see closer. No, he's that Hulk. That Hulk? Is that Hulk? Is that Hulk?
Oh, look!
Mr. Hulk.
I didn't know. He has a long hair.
Mr. Hulk.
In the ponytail.
Mr. Hulk. This is Hulk. Mr. Hulk. Is it?
Yeah, it's a Hulk.
Oh, what?
Look, he's like Thor, really. Because of this, the padding.
And
Wow. I'm not sure if this is normal.
I didn't know this was Hulk. I'm so big. I'm so big. Hulk is like this.
Yeah, I'll tell you later why he's like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look. I'm so big. I'm so big.
Yeah.
The hammer almost looks like Thor's hammer.
Yeah.
Is he gonna have a movie soon?
I don't know. His hands, they're so tight.
Oh, Daddy. Ready? Mr. Hulk. Mr. Hulk.
I'll put it later in the card.
This
Oh,
is
here.
Mr. Hulk.
You can play with it. That is again thunderstrike.
Mr. Hulk.
Mr. Hulk. I'll tell you his proper name later.
Proper name?
Yeah. He's not.
Can you read the box on this guy?
Oh.
So we know how he looks like before.
Oh, here. It says Marvel's Thunderstrike. His real name is Kevin Masterson.
Oh!
Follows in the noble footsteps of his idol, Thor.
Let me see.
Because
Oh.
the world still needs heroes.
This is a new hero! Yay!
Okay, next one. We got, we'll open a time traveler bad guy. You saw him before because when we played Marvel superheroes. His name is this guy.
I forgot his name.
Kang.
Oh yeah, Kang!
We fought him, right?
Yeah, I saw him in the Lego.
Yeah, Marvel Lego. Yeah.
You played with that?
Oh, forgot already?
We fight him already?
Yeah, remember before you went to school? Last, when you were, what? 5 years old? Yeah. We played Marvel
That's
Lego.
why we don't need to fight Kang again. Because
I'm not sure if he is in the Marvel, because we haven't finished the game.
what? Oh yeah.
The
What
new-
is this guy?
The leg.
Put him together. Did he get a job or something?
Well, I'll tell you later. So
What
this
is
one
that?
is purple guy. No, Kang.
Bang! Daddy, what does he have a tissue?
I'll tell you later.
That's a clue for me.
There you go.
That's
See there.
I think
That guy.
that's a clue for me. That's a clue. Ha!
Yeah.
In a wedding or something? Look!
Oh, no. And the next one?
He doesn't even look like the one in the Lego.
Because it's Lego. This one's the
What does he have these scopes?
he comes from the 31st century. He's not I'm not sure teleport. He's time traveling.
See?
Yeah.
This Lego.
No, not Lego. Marvel Legends.
Oh.
Okay, next one. How many do we have? We have 3. Okay, so we need 6 figures
And
to build that thing.
4. Oh, and this must
Next
be-
one is you know who this is. Comic version.
Falcon!
Yeah.
Falcon!
Comic
Comic
version
version
Falcon.
Falcon.
Yeah.
I think I saw a couple more.
Oh, no. There's no Captain America here.
I saw him. I love that.
I like this guy.
What body part does he have?
He has the
Right leg?
I'm not sure which one. That one
This
is.
is the left leg.
And then he has the right leg.
See that?
Okay.
Wait, I'm to show you something. With not that body. That's it. Look.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna put his head again? It's so funny. Oh, here you go. Oh my gosh. Here, another foot.
Oh, go.
Oh, you're like Spider-Man.
Oh, wow. I think this is his costume before.
I like that.
Daddy, his way.
Wait, hold on. I remember when we opened Spider-Woman? It's like that.
Spider-Man woman.
Wait.
Oh.
I thought it's gonna be on his back. Come on. is gonna be on his back.
Go see a robot. She's a robot.
No, she's not a robot.
Huh?
Wait, look.
No.
See?
I thought it's gonna be on his back, but actually it's in his arms.
Is that cool?
Then
Is there one more? Can't fly with the unpopular wings. We need the last wing.
Yeah. Hold
Daddy.
on.
Daddy, he can't stand anymore.
Yeah. You need to.
How do you do that? I thought it was gonna rip. Daddy, look. Daddy. Daddy. This is my feet.
Wrong
Hey,
one.
another daddy.
Oh no. Whoa. How can he fly? Peter, look.
Peter. Peter. Daddy. Daddy. Check him out. Whoa, he's like blasting.
Whoa.
then fly and
Wait, I'm gonna some
He can use the weapon.
sling.
Oh no.
Oh, this is his weapon.
No, he has a gun. Forgot to remove it.
where's that?
Yeah.
He was a soldier.
Yeah, Kang is from the future.
From the future.
Yeah!
He uses technology to.
I can fly in
To win.
here
Here.
and then she's scared.
This is his weapon too. This.
Yeah. Oh no.
Yep.
Okay, so now we only have two more,
Come on. Okay.
and they are from the Avengers game.
I told you. I saw somebody, and I'm not gonna.
You saw this guy.
Captain America.
You saw Captain America.
You are lying.
Oh, you didn't?
But you told me.
Yeah. So by the way,
Captain America.
we forgot when you open packages, make sure that you clean
I
them.
just want to see a box.
So I already cleaned them, so that's why it's okay. You
Like,
can
can I
hold
see?
it.
Can I see? The back.
No, later.
Why?
Because you're gonna see so this is Captain America from the game. So he has the other arm.
I see Hulk though.
And this one comes with two heads. I don't know.
What in the world?
Oh no.
Oh dear, Daddy, I can't put this back on.
It's okay. Let's just put it down. We don't open.
And some more people.
No, we only have two. This is the second to the last.
Can I see the back? I need to see who are the other guys.
No, that's it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Here you go. This is his.
I want his shield.
Wait.
Daddy, look. They're gonna fly.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Yeah.
This is
I
Captain
love
America
Mr.
from the game.
And he doesn't have the mask like in the game.
Yeah, he has alternate head.
Oh.
The first time though, he has an alternate head.
Why does he look different? He doesn't even look like Captain America.
He looks like Captain America from the game, not the one from MCU. Not
He looks like George Washington.
not Chris Evans. Here you go.
Plus Chris Evans.
The actor who played. Oh no, he has a gun arm. Oh no, it's crazy. Oh no.
There you go. He can't hurt himself.
Oh.
Wow.
He has a shield.
Because there's only one left. I'm gonna put it here.
So I saw more people on the.
Only one. Only 6 of you.
But I saw only one. A lot of other people on this guy's back. I need to check who's back.
Yeah, we need 6. So how many? Can you count, Peter? Can you count how many figures we have?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, right?
No, 5.
5. 1, 2,
This is the last one.
4, 5.
Last
Yeah,
one.
we only need one more.
What can I see the backs?
Hold on. I'll show it to you after. Wow, why? There you go. Can you buy it? Borrow?
I have a knife.
Whoa, no. Yes.
From Among Us.
Among Us. There you go. And then the last one. We'll open the last one. It's gonna be.
They're like fighting. They're like
Who's that?
fighting.
He has a different suit. Iron Man.
From the. I think that's gonna be in the game.
He is it again. See? Game verse.
But then you can see the.
We haven't played it for a long time because they've been playing different
Let me
games.
let me see a back. Let me see a back.
Oh, wait. I'll open it.
Oh!
You need to see all the people.
Yeah, wait. Hold on.
Oh yeah, the 6 Avengers. See our 6 Avengers. See 6 Avengers.
This one also comes with an alternate head.
And
Now you're back now.
Wait. Okay, here you go.
let me see.
Okay.
Let me see.
Wow, I like this.
Tony Stark deployed his cutting
Edge.
and
I have a knife.
more
Knife.
clear armor.
Blast and flame fly. Blast and flame fly. Okay. Low. Blast and flame.
Okay, I'll read it.
Mary.
So
It's okay. Oh, catastrophic threats.
Look, Daddy. Look, anyone. Look.
Whoa.
20
Oh no.
mini.
Okay, now we're gonna build this. His name is Joe Fixit.
Joe Fixit.
Yeah. But actually he's the Grey Hulk and he's a bad guy.
Bad guy.
He's wearing this, he's like Kingpin. He belongs to the mafia. This is
He's so good guy, right?
Hulk, but not this version. Not this.
Who's he come from? What is he from?
Where's
the...
his head? Where's his head? Huh?
His head is somewhere.
There, underneath. Can you get it, please?
They
Okay, let's go build this.
Daddy.
Yeah, you'll see.
I have a question. Why is Hulk dressed up like that?
What?
Why Hulk dressed up like that?
Because
Wait,
this is a different version of Hulk.
wait.
He's a bad guy.
Is he actually in the game?
I'm not sure. Maybe?
Look.
We'll know. We haven't played it for a long time.
I haven't been playing
You
it.
haven't been playing?
Look.
I haven't.
Can you help me?
Well, yeah. I'll finish my game first and then. Whoa!
Let's put it. Let's put it.
Thank you, baby.
Can you tell us why that happened?
I don't know. I don't know his full background, but I know he decided to become a.
Taller than that
Bad guy.
guy. I'm taller than that guy.
Look, it's so big.
Why did he decide to be a bad
I
guy?
don't know.
Does he have a movie?
No, he
Yeah.
doesn't have a movie.
Oh, I wanted to see why he decided to be a bad guy, not a good guy.
Whoa! Look! One shot.
Let's stand 5.
Wow! It's so big, and it's so heavy. Can you carry? Huh? Yeah. Don't put it in your mouth because we hold up. Okay, let's put it here. Oh, wow.
Daddy, did you know people always did you know people always want you to carry him and drop?
I know.
He was like, and that's what he needs to do again. He wants me to do it with you.
Whoa! Look, that's all the figures we have. Again, who's this? This is Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Thunderstrike.
Good job. This one I don't know how to pronounce. Jocasta, Jocasta or Hocosta, I don't know. And this guy is Joe Fixit.
Dog.
He's the Grey Hulk.
Go.
And then this one, of course, is Falcon.
Falcon.
Captain America.
Kang.
Kang. Good job. Which one do you like best, Peter?
I like this one.
Oh, of course, Falcon. Thunderstrike or Iron Man? Which one? Iron Man. Okay. And how about you don't like Hulk? No, you don't like Hulk. Okay. How about you, HP?
I like everybody, but my most favorite ones are this, and this.
Except all of them except the girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, of course, I like all, but of course, Iron Man.
I like these details.
Ah, the details. Yeah, they're quite nice, especially this one.
Also, I like a blaster. I like that.
Yeah, the video doesn't give justice, but when you look for the also this. And Joe Fixit because it's so big, heavy. Okay. So again, thank you for watching. If you like our video, please do not forget to
Like and subscribe.
Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Don't forget to have
Bye.
fun. Bye.
Bye.